Guys, I just walked into my Dollar Tree. Look at these stickers. Now, this is my first time seeing these. I don't need any, because I don't even know what to do with them. But oh, look at these. They are the bomb. Look at this. And they feel like they're real metal. And I'm not going to pick up any. And watch, because I don't pick up any, somebody's going to come and show some awesome project that they did with these. Look at the butterflies. I think these are old though, the butterflies. But look at that stuff, happy birthday ones. And then look at these. Oh my goodness, oh my God, look at these. Look at these gold ones. Then you have the green. Then you have this pinky corally color and this iridescent. There's the blue. And then they got gems. They call these Starburst gems. Look at this. Those are black. And these are multicolored ones. Do they have any other ones? I'm sorry about that. No, this is at the black and the multicolored ones. But if you guys are interested in this type of stuff, Crafters Square, go check it out at your Dollar Tree. And they got this over here by the toys and the party stuff. Like we gonna find it, but I guess we will, because I found more of this Crafters Square stuff. Here's some paints right here, some sponge brush sets, just regular art brushes, more art brushes. I don't see any paints unless some of these paints are theirs. But they got a nice selection of paints. Look at this. Washable, tempera something paint. They got all the colors. And then you got the craft wax down here. Then you even have that little thing right there. Now, I've never seen the fabric in here before, but there it is. And then over here, they got adhesive cork sheets, y'all. Check this shit out. Ooh, sorry. Check this out. The large glue sticks. They have the natural jute. And okay, look. Chalkboard tags. These are the foam beads in green, blue, pink, purple, and then they got felt letters in blue, black. They got these little chalkboard, what are these called? Chalkboard tag clothespins here. And then they have these ones right here, which are nice. They got some heart-shaped ones. And look, how about this? They have a utility knife set. Oh my God, look at this. Look. They got the foam dot tape. I was hoping that was double-sided stick tape, but they even got magnet buttons. Look at this. Are these the big ones? These are the thick ones, though. I just don't like these thick ones, but they really hold. Look. Let me do that again. Watch this. Look, them suckers hold. Ooh. Come on. Now I'll leave it like that. And they got the stretchy lace right here, which looks like the same Dollar Tree one that I had before. And of course, that's Dollar Tree foam dots. Look at this embossing stylus. Look at this. If you need an embossing tool, there they are. Look at these beads. Here are the mini glass jars. Look at this. Oh my goodness. See, I came here to get something else. I did not come here to get any of this stuff. But guess what? I'm about to probably pick up a few things out of this line. And the ones that I get, if I decide to get it, I'll come back and show you guys. Hey guys, did you see all of that awesome Dollar Tree goodness? Man, I was thoroughly surprised. But what I'm gonna have to do is apologize for the noise that you can hear. Those are the grands. They having a funky good time in the hallway. So, but I'm gonna share with you this small haul I got. I got these binder clips right here. These are not new. I am going to be working on some more single TNs, and they will have the green in it. At least I know green and orange. So that's why I got these. And I picked up 3 more of these so I can make the chunky notebook wallets again. But this is the find for me right here. I saw these items right here, and they're from a company called Crafters Square. And like I say, this is new to me. I don't know if it's you guys, but this is new to me. And this is 6 mini glass containers, and these hold 0.05 fluid ounces. And then we have these. These are also the mini glass containers with the cork lid. These hold 0.33 fluid ounces. There we go. And you get 6 of those, if I didn't say that already. And I think these would be good if you're sharing, like, what is it? The mixes for your shakers, at least that size. With this size, on the other hand, probably you just want to share some seed beads or something. And this one holds 0.17 fluid ounces, and that's this size with the cork as well. So just so you can see the difference in sizes. This is the 0.33, and this is the 0.17. I think those are awesome. Those things are you know, a whole lot more pricier in Michael's and Joann's and places like that. I also picked up these large glue sticks, and this says it's for use in high temperature glue guns. So it's 5 of these in here for $1. So if you're in a bind, there you go. I got 2 packs of stickers, and these stickers are actually metal. Let me open this one up. Come on, thing. Yeah, these are metal stickers. Yeah, and I'm sure the metal is probably just aluminum, but these are beautiful. I really do like these. So I got this for the upcoming Valentine's season in 2020, and I got these bakery ones because I may start work on a cookbook that I've been promising myself I was going to start work on for probably about 2 years now. Yeah. I also picked up this Crafters Square Scraptility knife set, and I want to try this one because somebody destroyed mine. I don't know why anyone would heat my knife up. I don't know if you can even see that. They heated my knife, and you can see, if you can see it, yeah, no. So, but I got this to try, and I hope they're excellent quality. The last 2 things I picked up were these luggage tags. Look at these. These are totally gorgeous. And I'm going to put these on a couple of TNs. I don't know if I'm going to stick them on the single TNs, or I'm going to make some larger ones and attach these to the larger TNs. I haven't made up my mind yet, but I'm going to do that. And it's going to be, of course, for the craft fair. So, guys, if your Dollar Tree has these items, let me know. Because I haven't been shopping in a while, at least at Dollar Tree. And today was my first time seeing these. So, yeah, metallic. Okay, this is my first time seeing this Crafters Square. So if you have it at your Dollar Tree, let me know, okay? And you know what? They also had some, what is it? Foam stickers, alphabet stickers that were on sheets already cut out. You just peel them, and they had them in different colors. And they had the little plastic cups like these. Let me grab this one right here.
except they had different color lids, like pink lid or turquoise or green lid. They had those, and it was something else they had that I can't think of right now. I think it's in the video before this. But like I say, if you guys Dollar Tree have these things, let me know, please. Alright guys, that is it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.